Welcome back everybody to a new video. My name is Worley and today I bring 3 new recipes for you. We're gonna start with a protein shake made with Korean melon, peanut butter and golden berries. We're gonna move on with a papaya, clementines and nectarine smoothie, and we're gonna finish with a spritzer, a carbonated fruit juice made with cucumbers, winter melons, sweet limes, sparkling water. As always, they're very easy to make, so let's get into it. The first recipe for today is a Korean melon, peanut butter and golden berries protein shake. We are going to need 3/4 of a cup of melon, 3/4 of a cup of golden berries, 3/4 of a cup of ice, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 3/4 of a cup of milk, protein powder to your liking, 2 teaspoons of date syrup. Peel the melon, scoop out the seeds with a spoon and cut into chunks. Place all the ingredients on a blender, pulse to break the ice and blend until smooth. Our next smoothie is papaya, clementine and nectarine. For this one we're gonna use 3/4 of a cup of papaya, 1 medium-sized clementine, 1 nectarine, half a cup of milk, half a cup of ice, 3 teaspoons of date syrup. Peel and remove the seeds of the papaya with a spoon, cut into chunks. Peel the clementine, peel and cut the nectarine, place all the ingredients on a blender, pulse and blend. Our last drink for today is a winter melon and cucumber spritzer. We are going to use half a cucumber, 2 sweet lemons, 1 small winter melon, 3 to 4 tablespoons of date syrup, 1.5 cans of sparkling water, around 375 milliliters, and ice. Chop the cucumbers. Extract the juice from one of the lemons and slice the other. Peel and remove the seeds of the melon with a spoon, cut into chunks. Fill a jar with ice, add the melon, cucumbers and lemon, add the sparkling water and the date syrup, stir to mix. Serve ice cold. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's selection. Let's talk a little bit about the ones that we make today. Starting with the protein shake, the Korean melon, peanut butter and golden berries. Now my main focus on this one was the taste of the protein powder. A lot of people do not like the taste of the protein powder when they're making the shake, so I found out that the combination of the golden berries, melon and the peanut butter actually work out to lessen the strength of the flavor of the protein powder. Peanut butter in here, aside from adding taste to it, is also a great source of protein, vitamin B3, B6, E and magnesium. You can use regular milk in here, or you can substitute for yogurt, almond milk, coconut milk, or whatever you want to use. Also, the protein that I'm using here is mocha flavor. Now you can switch it up for regular flavor or on flavor and it will work as well. You can also add vegetables like spinach, kale. You can also find powdered greens that you can add up to the protein shakes in order to boost the nutrient. Olive oil and apple cider vinegar are also really good additions to the protein powders. You use a small amount so you won't notice the taste in them, provide great nutrients as well. Now the second one, the papaya, clementine and nectarines. The papaya here is a really good source of vitamin C and also has an enzyme called papain that is really good for your digestive system. Clementines are a very high source of vitamin C as well. The nectarines has vitamin C and potassium and there are excellent antioxidants. The combination of all those 3 will give you a nice boost on vitamin C if you need it. Now the last one, the spritzer. The melons are a very good source of fiber, vitamin C. The cucumbers are a really good source of potassium, vitamin C as well, and the sweet limes, they help with digestion, constipation, they help your immune system, and a very good source of vitamin C. Now the sparkling water that I was using here is Perrier, but you can also switch it up for flavored waters and will work as well. Actually, they will work really nice with this combination of citrus and vegetable. Thank you everybody for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the content, please remember to subscribe, and if you want to help the channel, please like and share this video. Wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.